Hey everybody, we're back in action and finishing up the community buggy build. Massive thanks to Andy Hall, who sent me over a spare one of these to replace the one that is split. So I'm going to go ahead and take this front end apart, install that, and then we'll get back to the action with the rest of the build. Out with the old and in with the new. Everything back together. Brilliant stuff. Now, in there are some screws provided by Dirk at RC Birds. And Dirk came along, saved the day. When I was a few screws short, he was able to find them in his stash, pop them in an envelope, all the way from Germany. Dirk, thank you for your contribution. Next up, we've got a bag of bits and pieces sent in by Rob Brennan at Rob Brennan RC. Rob, thank you very much. Rob has also kindly painted up a driver figure. I don't have that at the minute. You'll see that in the final body when I go and pick it up from Mark. So the next part calls for a servo saver, which I thought I had, but turns out I didn't. So what I've decided to do is install a high torque servo saver. So whoever wins this raffle, you've got yourself a nice little hop up included. So we've got a Fly Sky transmitter donated by Adam. Thank you, Adam, Adam's Playground. The ESC came from, where is that? Over here. Phil at Poor Boys RC. The receiver came with the transmitter, and then the servo sent in by Pete Wiley. So we've got everything we need here. The only thing you're going to have to do if you win this is supply your own battery, because this one is mine, and shipping batteries internationally can be a bit of a problem. So we're not going to enter into that problem, but you are going to get all of that. Pete, you heathen, where's your washers on your servo mount? Come on. Right, servo's in, and I have put in the electronics. I apologise if whoever wins this doesn't like where I've positioned those. They're just added with some double-sided sticky tape, so you can just whip them out and replace them, pop them in somewhere else if you want them to. Had a bit of a snag trying to put the servo in, and the bulkhead support wouldn't fit. And the reason is my servo stays are too bloody big. So they're coming off, those ones are going on, and we're going to give it another shot. Did it. Problem solved. Front end is on. Now time to do the rear. And all of a sudden, it all starts to look like a buggy. Right, we're getting into the business end of it now. Front wheels are on. Rear wheels need some tyres, and thankfully, my good friend Peter at CW01 Creations has sent over a pair of rear tyres for the RC Community Project. Pete, thank you very much. There's nothing that says you're an RC expert than fitting a pair of super gripper tyres onto some rear wheels, which are quite the challenge, in no time at all. Now, when I first got my DTO3, I reckon that it took me about 20 minutes to get one of those on, and I've just done both in about 30 seconds. So, yeah, I can now consider myself part of the RC community. And just like that, the next part of the build comes to an end. We've now got a buggy chassis built, and I did do a sneaky test drive, and it works. And actually got quite a lot of steering throw at the front from that ACOMS servo that's in there. It is ready to go. So I am seeing Mark in the next couple of days, and we're going to get the body and the driver, going to attach that on, put the wing on the back, and I've got the wing mount, and we are done. It is complete. And the next thing we can do is tell you all about how you can win this buggy by donating some money, and it's going to go to charity. And I'll tell you more about that in the next video. So for now, I am done. Thank you for watching, and tune in and subscribe, ready to hear about how you can win this awesome community build. Thanks to everybody that has contributed towards this. I can't thank you all enough. It's been a really enjoyable experience. I hope you've enjoyed following along with it. I am looking forward to seeing what the final buggy looks like. Until then, thanks for watching the IGRC, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.